Hello, and welcome to English Flow Studio. I am David, and I am very happy you are here today. This podcast is for you, for people who want to speak English better, for people who feel shy, for people who feel confused, for people who think maybe English is too difficult for me. I want to tell you something important right now. English is not too difficult for you. You can do this. You just need the right steps. Small steps, simple steps, steps you can do every single day. Today, we are going to talk about one big question. How can I practice English every day? Even when I am busy, even when I feel tired, even when I don't live in an English-speaking country. I will speak slowly, I will use simple words, and I will ask you to repeat after me many times. So please, get ready. Use your voice, because your voice is the most important tool you have. First, let's talk about the problem. Many people study English for years, many years, 5 years, 10 years. They go to school, they read books, they pass tests. But then someone says, "Hello, how are you?" in English, and they stop. Their mind goes blank. They cannot speak. Do you know this feeling? I think you do. Many learners feel this. Why does this happen? Because they studied English, but they did not practice English. There is a big difference. Studying means reading grammar rules, writing answers on paper, learning new words in a book. Practicing means using English, speaking, listening, thinking, doing. Today, I will show you how to practice, not just study, practice, every single day.
Let me teach you something. It is called shadowing. Shadowing. Say this word with me. Shadowing. What is a shadow? A shadow is a copy. When you walk outside on a sunny day, your shadow walks with you. It copies every move you make. Shadowing in English is the same idea. You hear a sentence and you copy it. You copy the words, you copy the sound, you copy the speed. You do not stop to translate. You do not look at a dictionary. You just copy, like a shadow. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking. And it is free. You only need your ears and your voice. Let's try it right now. I will say a sentence, then you say it after me. Ready? Listen first, then repeat. Sentence 1. Good morning. How are you today? Now you say it. Good morning. How are you today? Sentence 2. I am learning English every day. Now you say it. I am learning English every day. Sentence 3. Slowly and surely, I am getting better. Now you say it. Slowly and surely, I am getting better. Very good. That is shadowing. Simple, powerful, and you can do it every day. Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important tip. Please remember this one. You cannot speak a language you have not heard. Think about a baby. A baby does not read a grammar book. A baby listens every day, all day. And then one day, the baby starts to speak. You are not a baby, of course, but the idea is the same. The more you listen, the more natural English sounds to you. And when English sounds natural to your ears, speaking becomes easier. So how can you listen every day? Let me give you some very easy ideas. Idea 1. Listen to a podcast like this one. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. You can listen while you walk. You can listen while you cook. You can listen while you clean your house. Idea 2. Watch short videos in English on YouTube. Choose videos about things you like. If you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English.
If you like sport, watch sport videos in English. Interest is important. When you are interested, you learn faster. Idea 3. Listen to simple English songs. Music is magic for language learning. The words go inside your brain very easily when there is a melody. You do not need to understand every word. That is okay. Just listen. Let the sounds enter your ears. Your brain is working even when you don't notice. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Say it. I listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes helps me improve. Say it. Even 10 minutes helps me improve.
Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English. I know what you are thinking. Tom, talk to myself? That sounds strange. But please, listen. This is one of the most powerful things you can do. And nobody needs to hear you. It is just for you. Here is how you do it. When you wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and say 3 simple sentences in English about yourself, about today, about how you feel. For example, good morning. Today is Monday. I feel a little tired, but I am ready for the day. That's it. 3 sentences. It takes only 15 seconds, but those 15 seconds every morning are more valuable than 1 hour of studying once a week. You can also talk to yourself during the day. When you are cooking, say what you are doing. I am cutting the vegetables. I am adding some salt. The food smells very good. When you are walking outside, describe what you see. I can see a blue sky. There are some trees. A car is driving past. These small conversations with yourself build a very important habit. They teach your brain to think in English. And when you can think in English, speaking in English becomes much, much easier. Let's practice right now. Say these sentences out loud. Speak clearly. Don't be shy. My name is, and I am learning English. Today I feel happy, tired, excited, okay. Right now I am sitting, standing, listening to a podcast. Well done. That is talking to yourself in English. Simple and very effective. Tip number 3. Learn 5 new words every day. Only 5, not 50, not 500, just 5. 5 words every day. That is 150 words every month. That is 1,800 words every year. In 2 years, you will know more than 3,000 words. And do you know something? 3,000 words is enough to have a comfortable, real conversation in English. But here is the important part. Do not just write the word and the meaning. That is boring, and boring does not help you remember. Instead, learn each word with a simple sentence, a sentence about your life, a sentence that is real and personal. For example, the word is nervous. What does nervous mean? It means you feel worried or scared about something. Now say the word with me. Nervous. Now say it in a sentence. I feel nervous when I speak English. Or maybe, I feel nervous before a job interview. Can you make your own sentence? Think for a moment. When do you feel nervous? Say your sentence out loud. Take your time. Good. Now let's learn 2 more words together.
Vocabulary practice. Word 1. Comfortable. Repeat. Comfortable. Meaning, a good, easy feeling. Not stressed. Not in pain. Easy. Sentence. I feel comfortable when I speak slowly. Say it. I feel comfortable when I speak slowly. Wonderful. 2 new words. Use them today in a sentence, in your mind, in your mirror conversation. Tip number 4. Read something simple in English every day. Reading and speaking are connected. When you read, you see how sentences are made. You see how words go together. And slowly, your speaking becomes more natural. But I am not saying read a difficult novel. I am not saying read a newspaper. For a beginner, that is too hard, and too hard makes you want to stop. I am saying read something easy, something that feels comfortable, like a children's book, like a short story for English learners, like the captions under a YouTube video, like the messages on a simple English app. The level is not important. What is important is that you read every day, even 3 sentences, even 1 short paragraph. And here is a very powerful technique. When you read, say the words out loud. Do not just read with your eyes, read with your mouth. This is called reading aloud, and it does 3 things at the same time. It helps your pronunciation, it helps your fluency, and it helps your brain connect the written word to the spoken sound. Let's practice reading aloud right now. I will say a short paragraph. Then you repeat it after me, line by line. My name is, and I am learning English. I practice a little every day. Some days are easy, some days are difficult, but I do not give up. I keep going, because I know that small steps every day lead to big results. Tip number 5. Put English everywhere in your life. This is my favorite tip, and it is very simple. English should not only live in your classroom or your textbook. English should be part of your real world, your home, your phone, your daily routine. Let me give you some very easy ways to do this. First, change your phone language to English. You look at your phone many times every day, maybe 100 times. So every time you look, you see English words, settings, messages, delete, download, confirm. These small words go into your brain quietly every day. Second, put small English notes around your house. Write the English name of things on small pieces of paper. Stick them on the objects: door, window, table, chair, cup, plate. Every time you look at these things, you see the English word. You don't study it, you just see it, and slowly it stays. Third, write 3 sentences in English before you go to sleep. Just 3. About your day, what you did, how you felt, what you ate, what you saw. For example, today I went to work. I was very busy. In the evening, I listened to an English podcast. That is 3 sentences. That is enough. Over time, writing becomes easier, and your sentences become longer and more confident. Fourth, send 1 message in English every day. You can send it to a friend who is also learning English, or you can send it to yourself. Just 1 short message. Good morning. I am having a good day. I learned a new word today. It is a habit, a small, powerful habit. Repeat after me. English is part of my everyday life. Say it. English is part of my everyday life. I use English at home, on my phone, and in my mind. Say it. I use English at home, on my phone, and in my mind.
Let's finish with something important. I want you to remember 5 words. Please repeat after me. Small. Repeat. Small. Steps. Repeat. Steps. Every. Repeat. Every. Single. Repeat. Single. Day. Repeat. Day. Small steps every single day. That is the secret. It is not complicated. It is not expensive. It is not impossible. It is just daily, consistent, patient. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try every day, a little bit. That is enough. Remember the 5 tips from today. 1. Listen to English every day, even 10 minutes. 2. Talk to yourself in English, in the mirror, while you cook, while you walk. 3. Learn 5 new words every day with a real sentence. 4. Read something simple out loud every day. 5. Put English in your phone, your home, and your daily life. These 5 things are simple, but if you do them every day, something amazing will happen. Slowly, quietly, your English will grow. Like a plant. You water it a little every day, and one day you look at it and think, wow, it is beautiful. That day will come for you. I am sure of it. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you feel more confident, more ready, and more excited about your English journey. See you in the next episode of English Flow Studio. Keep going. You are doing great.